it's Jen from Not So Mystical Tarot. This is going to be your reading for Sun, Moon, or Rising sign of Scorpio for the second half of July 2019. You can find me on Instagram at Not So Mystical Tarot or NotSoMysticalTarot.com if you would like a personal or a private reading. Now, I want you to watch your Moon and Rising signs because this is a general reading, so it will help you with a little more clarification, and that's why I keep these a little bit shorter, because then you have time to watch them. All my information in the description. Let's get started, Scorpio. Second half of July, Five of Wands. Do not get involved in this type of behavior. This is like time-wasting, nonsensical behavior. This is like a tug of war where no one wins. This is like fighting with people on the internet. You know what I'm saying? It's just a waste of time. Like, do not get involved in that. There is some kind of nonsense coming your way that you just do not have time for. Not if you want to be productive and successful. Yeah, Seven of Wands. I love this. This is about being... or I'm sorry, Seven of Pentacles. This is about you being very, very choosy. I was thinking wands because I want you to see he's got this wand right here. And there's a pentacle right in front of him, and he's not picking it up. You know why? Because it's not what he wants. Seven of Pentacles is about being very choosy, but the wand right here I love because it's like not taking action on things that are stupid and waste our time. This is stupid and waste your time. So you have got something, I mean, it could be like I put like family drama in this category, or Facebook drama, social media drama, nonsense in this category. You don't have time for this. Now, you also have the High Priestess. So she flew out of the deck, so I had to give her to you. This High Priestess is all about using your internal intuition, your internal judgment. You know better. You know better than to do any of this. And like, you're going to see this a million miles away when someone's like, girl, did you hear that so-and-so said this about you? You're going to be like, yeah, I really don't have time for that. Let her say whatever she wants. Plus, it might not even be true. That's what I'm saying, is you're going to see this a mile off. And right here, you know better than to mess with any of this. You should get this pentacle hanging out down here. He's like, I'm not picking that up. It's garbage. It's nonsense. I don't want it. It's like the apples that fall off the tree. You don't go pick up apples off the ground and eat them, right? You pick them off the tree. Same kind of thing. Pick your apples off the tree. You know what I'm saying? Mess around with a bunch of people that just are full of nonsense. Now, you also have the Two of Cups, and the Two of Cups, you guys are the cups. You are an emotional sign. When we've been getting this lately, though, I've been really feeling like it's about your relationship with you, really being true to yourself. So even though part of you might want to muck around here and find out what's going on, the higher part of yourself goes, you are better than this and have better things to do. Like, let's get on with our, like, you know, our financial goals, like our other goals. You have other goals in mind, so be really true to who you are deep inside. Don't let the gossipy part of you win. Go with that higher minded self that you have, and you know, go in that direction instead. Okay, it's easy to get involved in it. I know it's very easy to get in. I'm a Scorpio rising, so it's easy for me to get all emotional and get all involved. But why? What does it do for me? Nothing. Waste my time. Waste my time. All right, let's get some more information for our Scorpios. What else do we have going on here? Where is it? Here it is. Two of Wands. This is about making some plans. This is not like your 5 and 10 year plan. This is like your, what am I going to do in the rest of July plan? Like, and this is, I think, more an immediate plan of how you're going to like further your goals, further yourself. He's got this little globe in his hand, so it's kind of like, you know, worldly wise, what am I looking to get out of life in the next couple of weeks? That's what we're talking about here. And it's not this, okay? This is coming right back up. You saw me shuffle, okay? This is not what we're looking for. This just tells me there's going to be some kind of drama. It's really not important drama. Like, I'm feeling like it's really stupid stuff, and it's just saying, listen, don't make that part of your plan these next couple of weeks, because check this out. You get the Nine of Pentacles. It's time to be about your business, okay? It's time to be about your business. That Nine of Pentacles is like success. This is your personal environment too. Work, money, physical goals, finances, getting your stuff in order, because this is just a waste of your time, right? Like, who has time to fight with people on the internet? Who has time to gossip about people? Whatever. You're making plans that are going to move you forward and propel you forward to like this. This Nine of Pentacles is about being successful, really successful. So why would you want to waste your time doing that? It just means there's going to be some tempting, you know, some tempting tea spilled. There's going to be some social drama. Who knows? I don't think it's going to really involve you. Like, it's not going to be like you are personally involved in a bunch of hurtful, upsetting drama. I think it's more like you would be a spectator. But like, again, why do you don't have time for that? You got business to deal with. You need to be about your business right now. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Okay, if you let yourself get involved in this kind of stuff, you are the only one who loses. Now, this is a very dramatic, thing, but Ten of Swords is also the end of an era, the end of a cycle. So if you have been getting involved in this, it is time to stop, because it's not going to further your goals. It's just going to put you behind. Okay, it's just going to put you behind. If you've allowed this, then fine. Pull the swords out, walk away, and just don't get re-involved in that kind of stuff. Okay, it's just a huge waste of your time. It's very easy to get sucked into it, but it is not for you. You got plans to make. Okay, all right, I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching.